Hello everyone and welcome in the fourth day of our launch week. Today we're announcing structured outputs in the playground. Today, if you're building an agent or extracting structured data from unstructured data, you probably need the LLM to answer in JSON. However, one of the challenges is sometimes it answers in Markdown, or it adds some text, or the JSON is not in the schema that you want to. Well, LLM providers have a solution to this, which is either the JSON mode or the structured output modes. The first allows you to force the LLM model to answer in correct JSON, and the second one allows you even to specify the schema for the JSON output. Today, both are usable in the playground, and they are also part of the prompt configuration that you save in the prompt registry. Let me show you how it works. So I've created here a prompt that tries to extract information from blog post. I've already created a test set, so let me load it in the playground. You can see here the blog post from the launch from yesterday, and I'm going to run it on this prompt, which returns text. Now you can see the output, and here you see that the LLM is actually answering in Markdown. We don't want that, and also we want to make sure that the schema is correct. So I'm going to go here. First thing I'm going to try is the JSON mode. Let me use GPT-4o. And I'm going to rerun it. And you see that the answer now is a correct JSON. I can even go a step further and specify a JSON schema. Let me copy paste the schema I've prepared. Let me save this, and I run this again. You can see in the schema I've provided that I want the title, the author, the date, and also an array of subtitles within the blog post. You can see here, I can see the title, the author, the date, and the subtitle. I can save this as a new version. Let's say here, added schema. And now if I go to the prompt registry and look into the prompt I have saved, I can see that it includes the schema. If we can see the JSON output that the fetch API would return, you can see that the JSON schema is already there, and I can directly use it in my LLM calls. So that's it for today. Tomorrow is the last day in our launch week, so stay tuned for that, and have a great rest of the week.